Getting pregnant is not easy. Premom makes it easy. Premom is the best ovulation predictor app you could ever have. Download the app and give it a try. In just a few seconds, you can get signed up. Now, try the ovulation test tracking feature first. One way is to take pictures within the app right after your test is done and save the result. All your results will be aligned. You can also upload test pictures from your phone's gallery. Now it's time to throw away all those used tests. Another cool feature is that Premom is integrated with the easy at-home smart basal thermometer. In just a few seconds, you can pair the thermometer with Premom. Once paired, whenever you take your temperature, it will automatically sync to the app. You can view your temperatures in the chart with cover line and table. Premom makes period logging easy too. Just tap and drag to add it if you have an iPhone. If you have an Android phone, just tap to edit. The best thing about Premom is its intelligence and accuracy, powered by more data sources and a more comprehensive algorithm. With all your key fertility signs, Premom will work out the most accurate predictions. Download Premom now and boost your chances of pregnancy.